Prairie Dreams, an environmental installation trip to the University of Northern Iowa, January 7th through the 15th, 2000. The gallery space that we had to work in was approximately 100 feet by 50 feet.
Hi, we're here to check out our plants.
Okay.
I'm Gregg Schlanger. You guys got like 400 plants for our exhibit?
Yeah.
All right. Look at them. We can write this down.
It's got like some roses, and this is like the person that...
Just give us our next clue.
Yeah, we're taking a shipment back down to Alabama. You got our pot, right?
Well, you can throw the last
At lunchtime on the first day, Greg took some time to explain to the group to clear up any questions that they had.
Responsibility too. That one doesn't look good. By the time it comes time to build the structure, it all just that's not building. Change the shape.
Is the shape it's supposed to be in right now?
See what you guys think. Tell me, someone give me your opinion. How bright is that? Now that, if you hold your hands here, look at that.
All right.
Somebody else, give me your opinion. Okay?
As
compared to go over under here, at the same height.
This is bright.
This is higher, right? Okay, it's more concentrated. It's hotter over here. Okay, now compare this.
But you don't, of course you don't have near the area.
Now compare this to.
But I'm looking at the floor. See, move your ladder. What?
What's that?
Oh yeah. Huh?
The red.
This red? Okay, I have this red.
You want to start that one?
Oh, you are? Okay, I'll trade you that one for that one. Okay, I have this one now. Okay, let's see.
Oh, this.
Sometimes you can make noise that goes on a little bit easier.
Yeah, I like it. Oh, yeah.
What's this?
It's a
Oh,
spotted
that's
tail prairie
good.
chicken. I think they're even more extinct.
Oh yeah, I like those guys.
What are you doing? Are you doing? Oh, yeah.
No, I make there's a paint going on. You can almost hear the paint going. You can almost hear the paint hit that chicken.
Oh, is that your chicken?
That one does. No.
But keep that stuff. You don't want I kind of tried to measure 7 feet in, so there might not be very long pieces. Use this stuff up because I'm afraid we're going to run out of this stuff.
Okay.
So, but if it's got a hole in it, we can either put one of those plugs.
Good plug.
Yeah.
Well, that's over there, but maybe in between 8 feet and then 11.5 feet.
Actually, you know, let's avoid goof plugs right now, but if we can, just measure in between where that is.
Wait,
actually.
John? Yeah, on you. Hey everybody, let's make a toast.
Yeah, I would have to wipe it down a little bit, a little lower.
through that 8-footer. Okay. Give us a saw, damn it. Oh. How many 16s do we have? Plug strip, so plug strip and gallery, flat 250 there.
Well, yeah, one he'll be going in 6, 5, 7, 6, 8. Well, 5 through 20, roughly.
Fantastic.
Hey Huck fan, what's up?
It's making some, come in here. Come see the rain. My shoes are hot.
Yeah, that's how it is.
That's really good.
I mean, don't get me wrong, I like that stuff one, but why not?
Degree angle sleeping style.